What's good, everybody? Crypto God NYC here, back with another tutorial for you. I'm going to teach you how to operate the ArConnect wallet, and I'm going to give you all the steps that you need to be successful in this space. All right, so the first thing you want to do is download the ArConnect and open it up. It's going to look a little different if you're on the mobile, but it's pretty much the same thing. So if you did download it on the desktop, just click right here and it should take you to this screen. Then what you want to do is click Get Me Started. All right, what is Arweave? All right, just read that. Skip. Now enter your password. Hold on. All right, I entered the password. So this password right here does not matter. Let me say it again. This password right here does not matter. It only matters on whatever device that it's on, just to protect, you know, maybe somebody is I don't know, maybe just trying to hack you and they're in your house and they're trying to get all your money. Well, they need your password, right? So that's what this password is. So let's continue. All right, now it's gonna say back up your wallet. You're gonna get 12 words. This is called your seed phrase. So remember that there's no login information to get into this account, but there is your seed phrase, and these 12 words are the only way how you could get logged in into your ArConnect wallet. All right, so let's say you deleted the app, then re-downloaded it. You need these 12 words to log in. So you never give out these 12 words to anybody. Never, ever give it out to anybody, right? And what you want to do is you want to write down these 12 words on a piece of paper, then put it somewhere where you put your birth certificate, or somewhere important inside of a safe, or, you know, somewhere very, very safe. All right, so here are my 12 words, and I'm just going to copy it because it's just a tutorial. But don't do this, right? You don't want to do this. You do not screenshot this. Don't do none of that. Write it down on a piece of paper. All right, now we're going to click next. Now we have to finish this part. So my first word is win. All right, now let's click next. I'm going to keep it dark. Click next. Now click done. Next. All right, so once you finish with that, you are now connected into your wallet and you could do whatever you want now.